Hello everyone, welcome to episode 27. Today we are talking about 5 blogging tools for beginners and tools that I use for my blog. Number 1 is Grammarly. I use Grammarly for my grammar mistakes since English is not my first language. It is my fourth language and it's quite difficult to be focusing on the mistakes like not having a capital I when you are writing and trying to make a video to text and things that I wouldn't see but Grammarly sees. Number 2 is Colorfly. Colorfly is a color picking tool. It is a extension from Chrome Store, if I'm not wrong. It is from Chrome Store and I use it to pick out my aesthetics and my colors for me to put in my blogs, also in this episode and this podcast. Number 3 is Canva. I use Canva for my photos, for blog, like my thumbnails for the blog and for the YouTube channel, and for me to make my logos for the businesses. Number 4 is Quora. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Quora is a place where I answer your guys' question. You can always go in my descriptions and you can see the link for my Quora. You can put any question there. Hopefully I will answer. And I do some research with Quora, things that I take from my community and I put in with my blog and my podcast. Number 5 is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is for email marketing. For my landing pages, for me to get your guys' email, and I can send you things which I will talk about in the podcast and also in the blog. Sometimes I do use ConvertKit, but it's not always, and I haven't embedded into my blog yet since that's a little bit difficult with the provider of my blog. So I use Mailchimp and ConvertKit. Both are standing in the top of marketing tools. Thank you for listening until the end, or if you are reading this in the blog, thank you for reading until the end. Today was fun and I'm going to be seeing you next Friday.